Hello, this is Dr. Jeff Kim, and I'm here at the Irvine Barclay Theater for the 16th Annual Creative Edge Lecture and Event, where we're going to have a chance to listen to Arthur C., who is a Nobel laureate poet.
Arthur C. is a poet, translator, and editor, and in 2025 he was named the 25th Poet Laureate of the United States by the Library of Congress. A second-generation Chinese-American born in New York in 1950. Z is the author of 12 books of poetry, including 2025's Into the Hush.
I think poems cause us, especially in our frenetic culture, to slow it down and have a chance to pause and reflect and imagine and be creative and wonder and express yourselves.
I didn't write my first poem till I was in a calculus lecture as a freshman at MIT, totally bored by the equations being put up on the whiteboard, thinking, I don't want to do this with my life. And I turned to the back of the notebook and I started writing. And yet, without noise of horse or carriage, you ask, how can this be? A distant mind leaves the earth around it. I pick chrysanthemums below the eastern fence, then gaze at mountains to the south.
So there are three takeaways that I have, and the first is this. The first is the creativity, how poetry can unlock the mind to be so creative, and that you can talk about and write about poems from so many different perspectives, your own perspective, but so many other perspectives, including even inanimate objects, that allow wonderful and unique. The second idea that I took away was the idea of using poems to translate. So translation from other language into the language that you speak, or your language into another language, or multiple languages. And the third idea is this idea of it's okay if initially the poem is a mess. Sometimes we feel like poetry needs to be perfect, but it might begin with as a mess. Like you get all your words, all your thoughts, your brainstorming, it's kind of a mess. And that's okay, because that's the birthplace from which some creativity, new ideas will flow. And the last takeaway from this is write the poem that you need to write. So look inward, look deep into yourself and write the poem that you need to write.